Hello, I'm Shivam Tiwari, Computer Science Branch, final year, Solid Group of Institutions, Wadipur campus. Today, I'm giving you a demo of my project that I made through the guidance of the awesome faculty at the institute. So, first of all, I would like to thank Dr. Jyoti Deshmukh for her guidance. Dr. Ajit Kumar Shrivastava is the HOD of my computer science department, which he has like a ton of experience. I would like to thank Professor Rohit, Bansal, Mr. Anidra Katiyar, Mr. Dharmendra, Narayan, and Mr. Amit Ganguli for providing me guidance to build my project. Let's start by giving you a demo. So head up to google.com, type in shemari.com. I've seen a lot of people facing this problem of building their website, but they spend a huge time into learning to code. It's not easy to learn HTML, CSS, Bootstrap frameworks, and then the code that you have to write to, build your own static multi-page websites. You have to work hard for it, and when you finally go ahead with your complete website, you go on a server and you want to publish it, what happens next is you don't know how to do the proper SEO to rank your website. So because you don't know how to do that SEO, your website end up in the results of like 1 million to 2 billion, which people just don't know how to find you until unless you provide a domain. What I thought before building this website builder is, why shouldn't I do something? Why should I use my technical skills to build a builder so that I could allow people who don't have any experience with the code to build their own websites and publish it on the web, also with all the functionalities that they ever need in their functional websites or blog websites. So, well, we're at Shemari.com. This is the site, the website builder I built, and through the guidance and a lot of trouble, I guess, I've got like 11 paying clients on this website builder at this moment, so I'm making money out of it too. So let's start with it. Let me show you a quick demo of the builder. So here I have the website builder. It's just loading pretty slowly due to poor interconnection. Okay, so here we are at the main page. Now let me just sign in with the demo user that I just made to show you how it's being done. I'm sorry, a lot of problems. So let's hack a bullet X and let me type in my secret password. It's a top secret password. So here I've logged in to my user account. Now let me just go ahead and create a new site. Now when I click on create a new site, I'll be given a choice to choose a theme, and my team, Shubham Khanna and Tohid Khan, has built these themes which are based on Bootstrap and are more than 100, I guess, at this moment. So let me just go ahead on music and video, and suppose there's going to be a music concert by SISTec. So let me choose a theme, and I guess this one seems so good, so let me just select it. I can also preview it on the basis of how it's going to look on the mobile phone. So the builder is loading up. Here's some quick tips that you might want to look at. So here it is, the theme in front of us. You can change the background, change these images, upload icons, select from a media section. I'll show it to you in a minute. So let me add a quick section from here. Now if you just scroll through it, you'll see a ton of features are here. You can add all these elements for free on your website. Like, yeah, of course, after paying the monthly subscription fee. So let me select this one. This looks good. So I'm going to use the original style of the template right here of the section. So this is the original style. Now you see this section is already added at the middle of the page which we had before. So here it is. Now first let's just change these flowers into something different, something good looking. So I'll move on to the gallery which I have. All these images right here are free of cost to use, so you can use any one of them. It's just for free. So I'll go to cityscape and I'll choose this picture. So actually you can slide it up. I don't know why my mouse isn't working right now. So I'll choose this picture and I'll just close it. So this picture is uploaded already. Now change the title. It's just 2 clicks and you got to change the title. You don't have to edit any code to do it. So it's SISTec, which is Southern Institute of Science Technology, SISTec Space Musical Space Festival. Now as you may see, this box outside right here, this grows as well. So the website is fully responsive and you just have to edit the thing to make it, just it works. So join in for the participation. Alright, now let's move forward and add a pricing section for people. So go on to pricing, choose a theme which you see perfect for your website. So I think this one is good, so I'm going to select this one and I'm going to use the original website. Now there's an option you can use a website template over it for the complete website layout. So I'm going to choose the original one, which seems beautiful. So it's pricing. Now edit this title, choose a price which suits your need. Now you can always link these buttons to external PayPal checkout page, which just search on Google how to do it and you'll find it out. So now I can increase the size of the font right here. I can change the color, of course, so I'll change it to red, and this looks wonderful. Now next I'm going to add some text on it. So just hover over to projects, since let's see at what places SISTec has done a concert till now. So I'm going to select this one as the next page. So original style as well. Projects, I'm going to rename it to org concerts. Okay, whatever. So our concerts so far, there's some lorem ipsum dolls that we might. So let it be. Now here's a beautiful feature that you might want to look at. Click on the background, click on the section color, and when I click on this black color to convert this whole section into black, you see this black color over here, it will automatically change into white to match the color of the background. So I'm going to select, now just have a look, black, and it will change into white. Yeah. So basically this is how you build a website on Shemari. It looks beautiful, and yeah. Now when you have done with your website, you might want to add some more pages to it. So just head over to here add a new page, and you'll see options from content, next, or about. So I want to add the content page right here. So I'm going to type in contact us, and I'm going to select add page. It will ask whether you want to add this contact us page into your menu or not. So I'm going to click yes please, add this page into the menu. It will take a bit to load, and our complete page is created for us in just a few seconds with a beautiful background and beautiful typography and everything like that. So it's already added in the menu. Here it is, contact us. So when people fill it up, you need to make sure what they will get after filling this form and where would the message be sent to. So just simply hover over this button, click on submit and edit. So here's the email which I've used for my account right here. So I'm going to convert it into, for example, of my college. So search booking at SISTec-R.ac.in, and thank you for participating. I'm going to save it, and it's done. So you don't have to configure with mail or email or whatever. I've just set it up already for you, so you just have to utilize it. Now, if you ever get stuck into anything, there's a tool video and a tips section where you can go and find a lot of tips. Now, since our page is added, we now want to move ahead to have a look at the SEO. So click on the SEO, and you can optimize this page for the search engine, and you can do it for each page on your website. So there's nothing like one-time SEO for all the pages on your website. It's like you can optimize your page whenever you want, wherever you want, and as much as you want. So here's an option whether you want this page, this contact page of your website to be visible to search engines or not. So you want to go for no index, or you want for indexing. So I'll select indexing. I'll put the title as contact us SISTec-R, just call it SISTec-R. Concert keywords, you can put up anything like concert, musical, festival. No description, just put up, and you can put up your Google Analytics ID, Facebook Pixel ID, or some iOS property ID. So here it is. You can put in social image preview. So whenever you share the link of your page with a social media profile like Facebook or Twitter, an image which is like right here will pop up to it. You can upload favicon as well. So this image right here, little roundabout. So here you will see your uploaded favicon. So I'll click on set, and the SEO is done. I'll click on settings, go over to pro settings, and here you can enter site header code. Now for example, what happens when you want to run ads on your website, the Google gives you a sort of code which you have to paste in here in the header of your website to verify your website successfully with the Google. So you'll have to post it right here. Now let me go back, and here the site settings section, you can choose whether you want your website to be narrow or wide. Here it's the font, so you can choose which font you want to use for your entire website right from here, right from this control panel, I guess. So here's the site background, color, page background, menu layouts. Menu layout is really cool. So right now we have this hamburger where we click on these three dots and the complete page appears as a menu. You can choose any of these styles and it will apply right away. Here's the scroll effects. Now when you scroll through Apple website, the content below this screen fades in when you slide down. So you can choose this option as well. So whenever your user slides down your website, the content fades in and appear, which gives a really beautiful look to it. Now there are page widgets. My favorite one is this share button. So when I click on share, here we get Facebook, Twitter, Tumblr. Now what we can do is we can put more websites to it. So people can share our website, share our page on multiple amount of websites or wherever they want to do it. So we did that. Okay. Pinterest to LinkedIn, email please. So here it is. Now people can share wherever they want. You can also edit the code whether you want to change something or do something. Here's the complete code of these Facebook and stuff right here, social icons, so you can change it. You can change the margins where you want to see this on the screen right from this menu. So here we are, our website is done, and we want to head back to our home page, and now we're going to publish the website. So as I said, the paying users, as I have the paying users, when you click on the publish website, you get the preview of your website. You got to save it in your account, so you can maybe pay later at some stage. So I'll add SISTec-R music concert and click on save.
Now when we are done with saving our website, you'll get 3 options to choose from, lasting from 12 months to 36 months of subscription of Shemari, which will get you unlimited amount of websites that you can create and host and add domains and do stuff. So if you choose 12 months and you continue, you'll have to pay a total of $95.40 for an year of subscription. But here's the deal to you, just to you. If you're in 12th standard or planning to go to college, go ahead and get enrolled into Sagar group of institutions throughout your campus. And to do that, when you do that, send us your identity proof, and one of our representative will visit you for the confirmation. And when we confirm that you've successfully enrolled into the Sagar group of institutions throughout your campus, you'll get a coupon which will give you free subscription for 1 year. So this 95.40, you don't have to pay it anymore if you enroll into Sagar group of institutions throughout your campus. Thank you.